still the one who can scratch my itch. You're still the one that I wouldn't switch. We're still having fun, and you're still the one.